Give me the opportunity to say something about this. Mr. Speaker, I want to speak from a point of experience. I have served as a security officer, as a bodyguard to a member of this House for 5 good years. Mr. Speaker, from 2008, from 1998 to 2002. And Mr. Speaker, I want to speak from the experience of the bodyguards, of the security officers who guard us. Mr. Speaker, it's very unforgiving. It's very awkward to the officer when your boss is engaged in a riot, in demonstrations, and your seniors from the police are chasing and tear gassing your boss. Mr. Speaker, you are left in an awkward position. There is no way you can say you are a member of parliament and you go out there when you have a constable, police constable, as your escort. And at the same time, you are engaging in unlawful picketing or rioting. Then a police inspector comes to protect me, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the voice of the police officers has to be heard.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mr. Speaker, the voice of the escorts has to be heard. We can't leave it at that.
Thank you.
Yes. Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Nimrod.
Yeah.
You can end there.
Yeah. No, Mr. Speaker, it leaves the officer in a very awkward position when you are a police constable and your boss, a police inspector, is now tear gassing the member you are escorting, the member you are guarding. Mr. Speaker, that...
Order, honorable members, you know very well that very few of you are as candid as Nimrod Mbai, who can stand before you and tell you